Picture this. You walk into a room, your heart racing, the tension is thick. You feel that familiar sting, rejection, jealousy, shame, but you mask it. You crack a joke, you shrug, you pretend you're unbothered. But inside, you're drowning. Now imagine this. You walk into that same room, but this time, you're calm, grounded, unshakable. You know exactly why you're feeling what you're feeling. You don't react, you respond. And that response changes everything. That's not magic. That's emotional evolution, the same kind used by elite intelligence agents. And it's the key to stop sabotaging your relationships before they blow up. Today, I'm handing you the blueprint. Most people are emotionally reactive. We don't think, we feel, and then we explode, withdraw, blame, or guilt trip. And we repeat that pattern like a broken record. Sound familiar? Maybe you've been ghosted and blamed them when deep down you were terrified of being vulnerable. Or maybe you keep dating people who feel safe because they don't challenge your emotional growth. According to a study from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, emotional intelligence is a stronger predictor of relationship success than IQ or physical attraction. Yet barely anyone is taught how to build it. We treat emotional intelligence like a personality trait. You either have it or you don't. Wrong, it's a skill. And skills can be learned, trained, and mastered, like a CIA spy under pressure. The CIA trains agents to stay composed under extreme emotional stress, interrogations, betrayals, and life-threatening decisions. How do they do it? They use a psychological system called emotional regulation. Recognize the emotion, understand the source, pause before reacting, choose the best response, not the most comfortable one. That same process works in your love life. Instead of storming out mid-argument, you observe your emotion, name it, and respond with clarity. Instead of repeating old wounds, you debrief yourself. What triggered me? What did I need? This isn't cold detachment. It's conscious leadership of yourself. Step 1. Interrogate yourself first. Before a CIA agent interrogates someone, they interrogate themselves. Why? To clear their own biases, reactions, and emotional baggage. In relationships, that means asking, why did that comment hurt me so much? Am I reacting to this person or to someone from my past? What am I afraid of losing right now? Love, control, pride. This is self-inquiry. It's uncomfortable, but it's how you break the cycle. Emotional pain is information. If you don't listen to it, it will scream louder. So stop avoiding your triggers. Start analyzing them. Step 2, get mission level clear on your patterns. Spies track enemy patterns. You need to track your own. What's your default reaction when you feel unloved, criticized, abandoned? Do you shut down, pick a fight, cling, journal it, map it, own it? Because once you can predict your behavior, you can reprogram it. This isn't about shame, it's about power. The moment you can say, there's my abandonment wound again, you are no longer controlled by it. Step 3, train calm under pressure. CIA agents are trained to slow down their physiological response even under fire. You can do the same with breath work, meditation, or what's called cognitive reappraisal, reframing your thoughts in real time. Next time someone says something that hurts, instead of spiraling into, they don't love me, ask, is this really about me? Or are they speaking from their own stress? That pause, that second of reflection, is where emotional intelligence is born. That second can save a relationship. Step 4, choose connection over control. Most of our reactions aren't about the other person. They're about fear. Fear of rejection, of not being enough, of losing control. But emotional evolution means choosing connection over fear. It means saying, that hurt me, but I want to understand you. I felt triggered just now. Can we talk about it? This feels hard, but I want to grow through it. Real strength is vulnerability in motion. Not weakness, not softness. Strength. Step 5, stop playing defense, start playing offense. Most people live in emotional defense mode, always bracing, always reacting. But emotional growth means leading, being proactive, creating space for hard conversations before they explode. Tell the truth. Ask the questions. Share your needs before resentment builds. If you want deep connection, you need to lead with depth, not walls. Stop waiting for a crisis to show up for your partner. Show up now with presence, honesty, and intention. You are not broken. You are not too much or too sensitive. You're just untrained. But now you've got the intel, you've got the tools. So stop waiting for the perfect partner to fix you. Stop blaming your ex and start evolving the version of you who can handle hard conversations, regulate your emotions, and love without fear. They're not far away. They're just waiting for you to train for them. Subscribe if you're done repeating the same patterns and ready to grow into the most grounded, emotionally evolved version of yourself. Because if the CIA can train for life or death decisions, you can train to be better. And trust me, your future self will thank you.